Yo, what's going on? Got the old Mongo Man down here in Pittsburg. Got Kenny with us. Going to the World of Wheels. David Lawrence Convention Center. right, that's it. World of Wheels 2023. The old Mongo Man is out. Wasn't a really good show, but it was all right. Had some interesting cars, not a whole bunch. Now is the mile-and-a-half walk back to the car. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo Man in the house here tonight. Fresh back from the World of Wheels in Pittsburg, 2023. You guys just watched that video and got to watch everything that I thought was worthy of putting something on camera from the show. I didn't show, I would say, that wasn't even a quarter of the cars that were there. There just wasn't a lot of stuff there that really tickled my fancy. Now I know it's a car show and you guys are, you're going to see different things. That show was, there was a little bit of something for everybody. I was really surprised that there was only 4 Cobras. Kit cars, I think they were all factory 5s from the looks of things. And it's funny, you stand around long enough and you listen. I don't even interject in the conversations anymore, but you listen to some of these guys tell things, this, that, and the other, and it's not always right, But I was really surprised by the amount of Mopars. There was quite a few of them there. Not as many Mustangs as I've seen in years past. I didn't see one new Bronco. There was 2 old Matchboxes. I didn't see any dent sides. I didn't see a bullnose in the whole place. There was a couple OBSs. I think there was one bump side Ford. There was a couple dent sides. Like I said, there was no bullnoses. There was, I think, 1, maybe 2 first-gen Dodges. So, yeah, like I said, really didn't tickle my fancy. A lot of big wheels. There were some nice all-original cars. As far as hot rods, though, there were some classics, like stuff that you would see maybe done in the late 90s, but like resto mod race cars, didn't see anything like that, like what we want to do to KJ's Chevelle. There wasn't anything there like that. But it doesn't mean it was a bad show. It just, it wasn't a good show for me. Was it worth $23 to get in the gate? Hey, caramba. Again, that's a lot of money. And they made a gang of money tonight because that place was packed. There was, it wasn't uncomfortable inside. It's not like, we had to squeeze our way between the crowd and stuff. There was still quite a bit of room to move around, but there was definitely a gang of people there. They brought them in tonight. And I guess middle of winter, it's nice to get together, walk around, see a bunch of cars. I did get to see Mr. Lutz. Said hi to him, but I did spend a little bit of money too. I got myself a shirt from the Lutz stand. I don't even know what I got here. LRC, Lutz race cars, and then on the back, I think is what, the GTO on the top, and then the 57 below it. So it's a pretty nice shirt. It's actually a, what is this thing? Fruit of the Loom, heavy duty cotton. So yeah, it's a real nice shirt. But for the most part, got to see a couple things, really didn't get any ideas. I would say for me, the nicest car that was there was the International. It was well put together. A lot of time, a lot of effort went into that truck. Sitting on a Duramax chassis, it looked like. Didn't get to talk to anybody about it, but it was really well done, well executed. I did like the 41 Ford Coupe. And that's because I've got a 46 Coupe myself, and my brother has a 41 two-door, so it was kind of like the mix of both of those cars. And then I would say, the Willys, that was pretty cool. I was always a big fan of the Willys, and there in the beginning, close to the beginning of the video, you saw the 32.5 window. I don't know that is Milner's Coupe. If it's not, it's a really nice replica of the Milner Coupe from American Graffiti. So, and right beside it was a 55, just like the one that was in the movie as well. And I would say that is probably the most forgotten about car whenever we start talking about movie cars, and it's probably my favorite movie car because that's really the one that got me into hot rodding. That was one of the first TV, or not TV, but first movies I've seen or I saw with, you know, the cars, and the cars really played a part in the movie. But yeah, that was cool to see it there again. That was actually, I've seen that car before. I've actually seen the real Milner Coupe, and like I said, I don't believe that was it. I think that one was in way better shape. If it was the real Milner Coupe, it's gone through some work since I saw it last. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up there. That really helps the algorithm, hits this thing and makes it go skyward. The last video we did there, the midweek update, that video did really well. It's up and around 425 views right now and still growing. So thanks for that. If you are not subscribed to the channel and you like what we do here, by all means, give us a subscription there, and you can keep coming back and seeing what we're after. I've got another one in the making here, another video for stuff I've got going on in the garage, and then we've been working on Kenny's flip truck too as well. So that's about it for now. Thanks for watching again. We'll see y'all later. Mongo Man is out.